Good morning, students. This is how your Canvas looks like as a student. Okay, if you are using a desktop, you will be prompted with the home, modules, and announcements. And collaborations. But first, I want to introduce to you the global navigation, and I need you to put your face to upload an image for your profile picture so that every time you answer the discussion and I'll check your paper, I can see your face together with your name. So please do it. So with the global navigation, you have the dashboard where you can find all your courses there, including the courses also, the calendar where you can manage your schedule, and the inbox to send message to your classmate or to me as your teacher. The help button here will guide you if you have questions about Canvas. Let's proceed to the course navigation. For you, I enable only home, modules, announcements, and collaborations. So if you notice in the home page is just your course name and some of my details. So when you reach at the home page, you cannot click anything here to be linked to the modules. So instead of clicking in the home page, you can click on modules like this. I want to emphasize that there are requirements that you need to accomplish for each module. So example, we started with the module 1, but I removed the requirement here so that those who are coming late will be able to open this, um, not really in sequential order, but at least they can find these things here. However, if you are new to this or if you haven't passed through module 0, I need you to do all the activities there so that you can earn 35 points. Sayang naman. So start with welcome, devotional acquaintance, introduction to the way the framework of the course introduction, and the preparatory assignment. Next to modules 0 is module 1, mathematics in our world. So I made adjustment here because I want also that you can still adjust. You will deal with adjusting first before I bombard you with all the contents of module 1. Okay? So we will finish all about this module 1 next week. So notice that if under the title of the page or the quiz or the assignment, you can see view, must view, mark as done. Okay, so you need to view that before. These are the requirements. You need to view it before you can proceed to another part of the module. So don't forget to read it sequentially. Some of the teachers may be doing it also, so please be guided with this tour so that you will not be having a hard time and ask me directly na, Ma'am, I cannot open, it's still locked. So what are the causes why when you click a certain part of the module, it's still locked? Okay, it is locked because it is not the time that you are allowed to open it, or there are some things on the previous part of the module that you have not accomplished with. So if it says must be viewed, so if you view that once, then it's okay. But when it needs to be marked as done, you should really click on the radio button, done or mark as done, okay, before you can proceed to the next part. So on the next uh, part of our example, on the next part of our modules, I will really put here in the apply portion score at least. Okay, so that means you need to score this much before you can proceed to the next part or successfully completed the module. So I hope it's okay. And then Another important thing that I want to show to you is the rich content editor. You can find it anywhere in your. Okay, so notice here mark as done. So I haven't clicked it yet, but when I click it, it turns green and I can proceed to the next part of the module. However, I have not published it this time. So mark as done. Okay, and I can proceed safely to another so if you find a clickable something, you click it in your in your window, in your screen. So resubmit assignment. So I have made a video in YouTube how to submit assignment, but in case you will see a text entry part, example text entry, I want you to have a tour in this. Okay, so you can you can copy paste or type your submission right here. So whenever you see, even in the quizzes, in the assignment, or in the things that your teacher wants you to do, please notice that every time it asks you for a text entry or input, you can find this rich content editor. So this is a rich content editor. It has edit, insert, format, tools, table, and these buttons here. So this works like Microsoft Word and WPS or other Word. So you can edit, cut, copy, paste as text, select all, insert. Okay, you can insert. So one of the most important part of the rich content editor is the insert tab, where you can insert link, image, media. Okay, here you can record or upload media. That's why I ask you with the assignments previously that you can really record here. However, if that is too long, it might take you some time to upload it. So you can also insert document, and soon when I ask you to write equations, it is here, and then you can create table, you can create horizontal line. In the font format, you can find this different kind of formatting. You can also write code, okay, formats, blocks, fonts, font sizes, align, directionality, and many more below. You have also tools and table here that works like the table in other Microsoft Office software. Okay, see, you can write anything here, you can change the font, you can edit, and you can do whatever the teacher wants you to do. And for our next presentations and maybe class activities, I would ask you to have group activity where you can set Google Meet with your group mates. So it's here in the apps, this button. You just need to grant access with the Google Meet and everything will be just fine. When your classmate open or click the link, they will go to your meeting already. Okay, so I hope this tour helps you, and I hope you will have better experience with Canvas, because it's one way that we can reach out to you, our students, in a sequential and detailed manner. Okay, because we are supposed to use Google Classroom, but we cannot organize our topics the way that this Canvas LMS provides us. So please learn and don't be afraid. Always think positive, pray to God, and don't be afraid of your situation. We are to adapt to this situation, and we need to learn by heart with confidence and with trust in God. So that's all for this little tour. Thank you very much. You may ask questions about this in the comment section of this discussion. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.